ever wonder how the type of table you choose can completely transform your Thanksgiving gathering? From the way you set your plates to the overall ambiance, the right table makes all the difference in how your holiday meal comes together. In this video, we'll guide you through the different types of Thanksgiving tables and show you how to decorate them beautifully for a memorable celebration. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave us a comment with your favorite Thanksgiving table setup. Let's start with the foundation, the type of table you'll use. A formal dining table is perfect for large gatherings. It sets the stage for an elegant look where you can bring out fine china, embroidered napkins, and sparkling glassware. This creates a polished atmosphere that feels sophisticated and timeless. If you're hosting something more intimate, a round table may be just what you need. Its circular shape makes it easy for everyone to chat and stay connected. Pair it with simple centerpieces, like mini pumpkin arrangements, for a warm and cozy vibe. On the other hand, if you love the rustic charm of farmhouse style, a wooden table with natural finishes is a wonderful option. Decorate with seasonal produce, leafy greenery, or earthy accents to highlight the harvest season and create a down-to-earth feel. For those who want versatility, foldable or extendable tables are ideal. These give you the flexibility to adjust seating based on your guest list. They're practical, easy to set up, and ensure no one feels left out of the celebration. Once you've chosen your table, it's time to design the look. A key first step is selecting a color scheme. Traditional Thanksgiving tones like burnt orange and deep red always set a warm mood, but you can also get creative with fresh shades like blue, marigold, or even jewel tones for a modern twist. Don't forget to harmonize with your existing decor and bring in metallic accents such as gold or silver for added sophistication. To make your table feel alive, incorporate natural elements. Pumpkins, eucalyptus, or seasonal vegetables are perfect for adding warmth and texture. You can even use small pumpkins as vases for flowers or wooden chargers for a rustic touch. These details tie your table directly to the abundance of the season. As you decorate, remember that balance is key. You want your table to look intentional but not overcrowded. Start with a focal point like a centerpiece or pumpkin tablescape. Then build around it. A touch of texture or pattern can add interest without overwhelming the eye. Now let's talk about centerpieces and tablescapes. Fresh flowers like sunflowers, chrysanthemums, or autumn roses can instantly elevate the setting. Keep arrangements low so conversation flows easily, and consider adding greenery like eucalyptus for depth. Pair this with a runner that complements your flowers to create unity across the table. Candles are another must-have for atmosphere. Mix different heights of candles for variety and opt for brass candlesticks or glass holders to add elegance. Place them around your centerpiece for a soft, inviting glow, but stick with unscented options so they don't compete with your delicious meal. For a truly Thanksgiving-inspired centerpiece, consider painted pumpkins, pine cones, or gourds. Mixing shapes, colors, and textures like white pumpkins with bright cranberries will make your table look festive and unique. Of course, the tableware itself plays a huge role. Formal china with gold accents can add sophistication, while heirloom pieces mixed with modern designs bring personality. Make sure you have enough serving pieces for every course, and let your style shine through in the details. To make guests feel extra special, add personalized place cards. Whether handwritten on craft paper or tucked into mini pumpkins, these thoughtful touches make seating arrangements both clear and charming. Decorative accents like velvet ribbons, monogram napkins, or mini pumpkins tied with fall greenery can bring everything together. These finishing details celebrate the season while keeping the atmosphere both elegant and welcoming. If you'd like to experiment with color, don't shy away from jewel tones. Deep emerald, sapphire, or purple, combined with metallics, can transform your Thanksgiving table into something truly striking. Mix in textured fabrics like velvet napkins or tablecloths to add richness and dimension. Seasonal decor is the final flourish. White pumpkins, dried wheat, Pine cones and leaf garlands are simple yet effective ways to emphasize the harvest season. Scatter them across the table or weave them with string lights for a warm, magical glow. And finally, don't forget the smallest details. Pine cones can double as placeholders, while dried flowers add both beauty and subtle fragrance. A garland of leaves, whether real or faux, draped across your table ties everything together in one cohesive look. With these ideas, you'll have a Thanksgiving table that doesn't just hold food, it sets the stage for laughter, connection, and memories. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.